Hi guys, Karen Miller here. Today I promised you guys to do some waffles with that sweet potato mixture that I used to do the pie. So I'm going to do that today. I'm trying to follow a recipe from my mom's cookbook. Remember I showed you guys my mom's cookbook from many years ago. They have a few recipes here for waffles. Sweet milk waffles, buttermilk, banana waffles, and cornmeal waffles. Of course, this book is a very old recipe book, probably, I don't know, 60, 70 years old. And of course, they have the evaporated milk, etc. So we're not going to use that, of course. We use the condensed milk. So what I'm trying to do is to recreate a recipe, but looking at this for guidance. So I have 1.5 cups flour here. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So that's all your dry ingredients. Mix it up. I'm going to put the wet ingredients here. I have 1 cup of the mixture. I have some oat milk. This is all I have on hand. I'm going to do, I'll see how much. I'm going to do 1/2 cup for now. I'll see how it feels, and then I'll decide if I need any more. I'm going to put a tablespoon of maple syrup. Doesn't need more than that because you're gonna add maple syrup on the waffles anyway, or whatever you use, honey, you know, agave. I don't use agave anymore, so, but whatever you use, you don't need to have so much. Gonna mix that and add it to my dry ingredients. Let me add some vanilla to this. Squirt of vanilla. And the last thing I'm going to add to this is my melted butter. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So this needs some more liquid. So I'm going to add some more of the oat milk, and then we go to the waffle iron. So guys, I have my waffle iron here. I added another cup of oat milk to this. Of course you can use almond milk or whatever other milk you like. I'm going to use this ice cream scoop. You know, we have 4 sections here, so I'm going to put 1 in each section. So if you don't have a waffle iron, you could just do pancakes with this. I think I'm going to add a little bit more here. Close this down, and in about 2 minutes. So my waffles are done. Let me see. So you follow the instructions of your waffle iron, because every waffle iron is different. So I'm going to show you one more. What happened was, I think I put too much, so it made a big mess. There was a big overflow. So I'm only going to put 1 scoop. Cover it, and this particular waffle iron, I have to turn it, and then this green light is going to come on when it's ready. So we're going to see what this one looks like. There's not going to be any overflow. So you see the light came on, it's ready. So I'm going to turn this around and open it up, and voila, your waffles. This feels good. So that's it, guys. I'm going to take this out, put it on the plate, and let's garnish it with some blueberries. Okay, so I have my waffles here. You put some blueberries on there for garnishing. I'm going to add a little bit of maple syrup here. And let me taste this. Delicious. I'm tasting the potato mixture, but you could add more, you know, just modify. I'm going to write a recipe, and you could experiment and modify. Alright, so take care, guys. See you in the next video.